Hey Christian, what are we doing?
We are joining forces with the Starlight Foundation, and we're taking these youngsters for a ride down the drag strip.
Oh, that's nice. That's crazy. That's an experience, eh?
An experience they'll never have.
There you go.
All right.
So I do have.
What car you want?
Have fun, guys.
Here.
There we go. We get the ticket.
Where?
Right there in the box.
Where?
That blue thing. That was cool, huh?
Yeah. Let's see how fast.
Let's see how fast. Right. We went 121 miles an hour.
What?
Yeah. The fastest you ever went. That's like 180 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. 180.
I gotta keep this.
Yeah, you can keep it.
Yeah, I gotta tell Dad this.
Yeah.
I don't know what Dad thought.
Is that cool? That's awesome.
So we got up to 97.8 miles an hour, and you got up to. What did you get? 121.
Wow.
Nice.
Not bad.